everyone. It is day 3 in the challenge. I just finished the gym. The gym, I went to spinning. I do spinning on Wednesdays and I do them on Fridays as a form of my cardio instead of my running. And spinning is spinning. Like, I have no words. I'm gonna post my watch calories burned. You guys will see that I burned, I think it was like 400 calories or a little bit more. So if you guys want to lose, if you guys want to burn calories fast, I would recommend spinning. Yep. And so after spinning, it took everything in me to continue and lift. Today was lower body again, but with glute focus. So Monday I had done quad focus. Today is glute focus, and Friday will be hamstring. So I divide my legs into 3 separate days, so it's not all bunched up into one, and you can really focus on that muscle that you're working on for the day and see better results when you separate your leg days, because the leg is a pretty big muscle. And that's it. I'm gonna go home. I already have my protein shake. I'm going to have breakfast. I had my shake during my workout. It helps me with energy and all that. I'm drinking my water, 3 of these a day. It's hard to get so much water in, but if you don't think about it and you just do it, it gets done. Bye guys. So this machine, I know, is not easy to find. Not many gyms have it. You can get the same result by using a bar and supporting yourself against the seat. Most of everything that I do is a superset, so you will see that I stop and I adjust the weight. I start off with heavy weight, then I go up to a medium weight, and sometimes I will do a lighter weight. When I got home, I decided to weigh myself, and I found that I have lost 2 pounds. I'm very excited about this. I'm starting to see change with the efforts that I'm making, so this is exciting. For meal prep today, I'm going to be starting off with some ground turkey. I'm going to add some pepper, some garlic, some cumin, and some onion powder. Before I cook the ground turkey, I'm going to be sauteing the red pepper, onions, and garlic. always remember that when you're using a scale, take into account how much the actual container weighs. Hey everyone, so it is day 4 of my 21-day challenge, and today I am exhausted. I had a lot to do today. It's now 5:52. So I usually go to the gym in the morning, but my morning was filled with other activities. I am a realtor in Miami, so I was at a networking event. And after that, I picked up my daughter from school, and then I took her to gymnastics, and then I came home and I was this close to just being like, I can't do this today. But I pushed through, and I'm here. I'm sitting in the parking lot talking to you, and I'm about to do my 40-minute cardio, and I'm about to, after that, it is upper body focus once again. And then tomorrow, last day of training, and then weekend. So I think about that and I'm like, okay, I can do it. One more day of training, and then I take a little break and back to it again on Monday. One day at a time. Unfortunately, I did not have enough time to film everything I did today. I was kind of trying to just move pretty fast, but this is one thing that I did for upper body. Alright, so this is not really meal prep. I usually like to prepare my eggs as I eat them. I don't like how they really taste if I prepared them for a few days. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how it is that I make my eggs. First of all, it's egg white, so I go ahead and remove the yolk. I have here chopped already some red pepper, and I'm going to be adding spinach. Alright guys, so this is my breakfast for day 4, plan B. So you can see carbs was taken out this morning, and I added green tea, which is excellent fat burner, and then I have my CLA, which I was supposed to be taking 4 days ago, but it came in the mail today. This is good. You take it right before every meal, and then this is in the morning. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my salmon. I like to air fry it. All I did was add pepper to it. That's it. And air fry. Hello everyone, it is Friday. Yes, my last day of training for the week. I'm pushing through. I did not sleep good last night. My baby woke up too many times. She's 6 months, so she's still in the phase of not sleeping completely through the night, and sleep training is not working out for me. But that's besides the point. I'm here. I made it to the gym. I'm in the parking lot. I'm going to do spinning this morning, and after that I will be doing legs with a hamstring focus. And that's what I have for today. Yep. All right. So on days like these that, you know, I barely got any sleep last night and I'm feeling exhausted, and it's Friday and I just want to stay sleeping, I just want to be home, you know, I have to find the motivation within myself to continue and to not skip the day. I only have one more day. I need to, you know, maybe this helps you guys. I stay focused and I tell myself, okay, we're going to take one day at a time, and this is what I have today, and I need to just push through and get it done. And then I feel so much better when I did it and I didn't slack and I didn't, you know, take the day off. And this is what I had planned for myself today, and this is what I'm gonna do, and I go through with it. And the sense of satisfaction that you get after doing it is so much better than the satisfaction that you're gonna get from just staying home. You know, think about like the goal and where you want to get and how long it's going to take you to get there. And these things help me to be like, okay, well, no, like, we're not going to stay home. We're going to do it. We've done it before. We're going to keep going, and you can sleep later and it'll be all right. You're not going to die, you know. So these things I have to always tell myself, and I imagine like what I want to look like, what I want to, you know, something that I want to wear, like, and what is it gonna take for me to be able to look like that, for me to wear that dress again, you know. Well, today, you know, I gotta get in the gym, I gotta complete my cardio. It's important for the goal. So I hope that this little piece of information of you know, what I think about, what motivates me, helps you guys too.